YouTube, welcome back. I'm back with a fresh beer and fresh hopes of completing this game. So we're going to hit the A button, hopefully aim for the genie's head. Wish me luck. Now. I could have got it. I could have fucking got it. Now I've shot it. Shit. Well, fuck. Well, it's not the worst thing. We'll take the credit and we'll crack on. Stop being so fucking happy we missed. Right, the difficult level. So this one's a hand-eye coordination, patience, timing, multitasking, all the things that are usually fucking not bad when you're fucking sober. Unfortunately, we're a couple of beers down, so this is just increasing difficulty. My concentration levels are actually through the roof, even though I'm talking. Usually, when I'm concentrating, I've got complete silence, but I actually think babbling while focusing on everything is working quite well. And I'll probably go and fucking die. Oh, I remember this bit. Back up a little bit. That's it. Give yourself some room. Oh shit! You motherfucker! I can do it, Sam. Easy. No problemo. Right. This bit's not the fucking hard bit. I say as I crash into a wall. This is generally okay. You can usually, as long as you stay ahead of yourself enough to dodge the lava, you're okay. It's the little bit after when you get into a very slight scoped tunnel with the golden treasure lava thing wave. Yeah, this is following at this bit. Right, it's all about keeping your eye on the screen. On the fuck off! No! I am calm. This is easy. Fuck off. Ooh. Okay. Easy does it now. Nice, isn't it? That's it. Easy. Oh, fuck that rock. Oh shit. My fucking reflexes are slowing down now because my fucking alcohol's going through my system a lot quicker. Oh, it's gonna come close. Oh. Dodge the rocks. Don't let yourself fucking get hit by a fucking rock now. Easy, tiger. Slow down. And there we have it. That's that fucking level done. Fuck you. We are on a roll. I think this deserves a celebration. Who drink? Excuse me. Ba 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 da ba. The song in the fucking film. Da 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 da. I fucking love this song, and it's a shame about the late great Robin Williams. Who was I talking to? I can't remember. I was reading it online somewhere or another, and someone turned around and said, "Oh, did you? Oh shit! I fucked up big style." No! Someone turned around to me and says, I read it somewhere, I can't fucking remember. Anyway, did I know that the merchant at the start of the film is actually the genie? And all I could think was that supposed to be a kind of secret? Because I thought it was just given that it was voiced by Robin Williams, so it'd have to be the genie. Plus also, he's telling the story of the lamp, which is kind of the genie's bag, isn't it really? Come on, you big blue bastard. Excuse me. Have your servants King of the gods. I don't know the fucking words, but I really like this song. Hey! Got her through that bit. Jump on these clouds with hands underneath. I don't give a fucking shit. La la la. Wow wow. Fuck you. Level done. I don't give a flying fuck. There is actually a run button, which is actually quite useful, but I'm not using it. And the reason is because I'm using a GameCube controller, not a SNES controller for this. And unfortunately, the run button is actually the Y button, which, for those of you who don't know, on GameCube is right at the fucking top. So it's a bit of an awkward one to hold. Ah, fuck. That's okay. What does it say? You want to make an omelette, you have to break a few eggs. No problem. Yeah. Another level done. And bonus round time. Here we go. I'm gonna get that genius. Let's go countdown. 3, 2, no. Treacher, you all thoughts on the countdown to 1. Everyone knows 2's the gold number. Watch. So go all around. Hold the fucking phone. I fucking did it! Fuck you, game! Give me that fucking extra lives. Oh no, she's a heart. Really? I thought it was like fucking 10 extra lives or some shit. That's wank. I must get the extra lives. Da 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 da. Well, that was fucking wank. Go fuck yourself with the apples. If any of you have watched our recent series, Super Mario Galaxy, these little genie springs kind of look like some of the weird laser enemies on there. If any of you watch them, you'll know exactly. For anyone who does watch it, give a like on this video, just to show your appreciation. If you don't watch it, go fuck yourself. I'm joking. La la la, fuck you. I think with these skills, I could have been Aladdin. Except I'm white. And from Wolverhampton, not from Agrabah. Abracadabra, let it rip and I'll make him all disappear. Hoopa. And there we go, that's the end of the gene levels, I think. That's the final one. There might be one more. We will see. Oh no, that's it. Stage 4 is clear. Oh, these levels. These are not too bad. I mean, not the most difficult, but they're not exactly easy either. Don't want to bother them with crystals. Fuck you! Ah. Kind of wish I fucked up there, so I could get the golden scarab. But we're smashing through levels, so what shit. Wait for it. Whoopah! Fuck you. Okay, this bit isn't that difficult. The thing that gets me is they give you this little I thought it was a parchment the first time I saw it. I thought it was some kind of map. And then now looking at it I realised it's like a bit of cloth starting off a line. Shit. And to be honest, oh fuck my I don't know what I was going to say there. Fuck my sideways or some shit. It kind of changes the game completely. If you don't get it and you just go through the game, I will challenge anyone. Try to do it without getting the cloth, and it's a completely different ball game. It is a much, don't get me wrong, it's not massively harder, but it is a much harder game because that kind of little cloth saves you from a lot of trouble. There we go, 99 apples. 99 red apples to throw at enemies in Aladdin. See what I mean? You can kind of skip a lot of obstacles that you couldn't normally do. You'd have to do by practicing and timing your jumps. Now I can just kind of... Oh, fuck me. I fucked up again. Fuck. Okay, let's just slow our progress down. Let's crack on. Haha! Shit! Waiting to go past. Lovely! And you, and you, and you. See, it's all about timing. Give me that chicken. Okay, this isn't too difficult if I'm not being a fucking knob jockey. If you don't know what a knob jockey is, you can look it up on Google. Okay. Fuck. Them ones are the same as the older ones, they're just a lot quicker, so they shoot 2 arrows rather than 1. Oh shit. How did that get one? The first one missed, but the second one hit me. Bullshit! Boss fight, apparently. Yes, Abu, it was you. That is the end of that level. Okay, and with that, stage 5 is clear, and also episode 2 is clear. So when you come back, we'll be cracking on with stage 6, and hopefully getting closer to saving Princess Jasmine from the evil Jafar. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Hold the phone. I just realised this bit's on. So we will do the magic carpet ride first. God, I don't think you can die in this bit. Dee 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 dee. Tell me, princess, is this rug from? Oh fuck, Persia. I hate that game. The prince is a dick. Oh fuck. This carpet's harder to fly than you fucking think. It's almost as bad as fucking Mario and the red coin all over again. Don't you dare close your eyes. The only other song better than this is Hakuna Matata. Oh shit, coming up with that. That's cool. Gravy. Ah, some lovely fireworks. Isn't that a nice touching moment? Bonus clear. Okay, that is it. So, next time you come back, we will be completing the end of Aladdin on the SNES. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.